Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Meesha Khalidah. I'm from SMA 1 Indramayu. I'm here as government. I agree that scholarships are only intended for poor people because I think giving scholarship to people who can afford it or those who can afford it is just a waste of money because many of them are already well off. So I give scholarship. I think giving scholarship to underprivileged people will be more beneficial because not everyone can afford to pay tuition fees, which in my opinion can be considered expensive. Even those who cannot afford it have the right to get a better education. If someone asks, then what about those who are smart? Then what about those who have good talent? I think that good talent or good intelligence can be honed and can emerge with the activities and effort of oneself and the support of the university or faculty that provides the scholarship. For example, have you ever bought a dress at Zara? Your owner of Zara is one of the richest people in the world, Amancio Ortega. This man from Spain is the second richest person in Europe with a fortune of 70 billion US dollar. Turns out, Amancio Ortega never graduated from high school. She chose to drop out of school at the age of 13 to work in a clothing store. It was from work that he learned firsthand about clothes. At the age of 38, he opened the first Zara store in Galicia. Or you can highlight the story of Francis Pinal, who is still contemporary with Amancio Ortega. These two grandfathers came from two neighboring countries. Both are active in the fashion industry. They also have billionaire status. Another thing, Francis Pinal also dropped out of high school because he could not stand being teased as a poor child. He chose to work at his father's mill. Despite being teased, he managed to set up a company. The company is the parent of various luxury brands such as Gucci, Saint Laurent, Bottega Veneta, and Alexander McQueen. According to Forbes, Francis Pinal with riches 33 billion US dollar. Back to the main topic, by providing scholarship to the poor, it shows that the government is also very concerned about the quality of human resource in Indonesia. The progress of a nation is largely determined by the quality of its human resource. Besides other factors such as natural resource, infrastructure and socio-cultural as well as capital and political stability. However, human resources have a role to manage all components. So, if the human resources in a country are of high quality, it is certain that the management of all existing natural resources will be maximized and produce prosperity for the nation. And vice versa, if human resources are low, even though other determining factors exist, it will be difficult to develop them. As a result, the country will experience a growth stagnation. For this reason, education is the main key to developing superior seeds for the nation's successor. So the government should provide free education to the lower classes as the right of every citizen, because this is the basis for building superior human resources. Okay, that's from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.